Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Best Buy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social accounts. Once you have been logged in and taken back into the home page, if you wish to cancel your credit card, just click on the credit cards option at the top section. You will then be taken into the credit card page. Now, in order to cancel your card, just click on the manage account button and you will be asked to log into your credit card account. Just type in your Best Buy credentials or proceed forward with signing in using your Citibank credentials. Once you are logged into your credit card account, you will be able to check your balance and you will also find the cancel button. Make sure that you have settled all of your pending payments before you proceed forward with canceling your card. And once your payments have been verified, your cancellation will be accepted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.